Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make the instant obsidian trap in Minecraft, and this can be used in the walls or UHC or any other game mode, and it's very effective and very easy to build with only needing a few materials. So let's get right into it. So this is what it looks like. It's very compact. There's a way out so you can trap it multiple times. Yeah, it doesn't take that many materials and it's pretty easy to build. So I'll be showcasing how you can use it using a zombie. So for this trap, you're going to have a player chasing you, and if they're not looking out for that, they're just going to fall in the hole and get Obby-Trapped. So the zombie will represent a player. He hits me, and you can create him out. When you fall down, when you're all the way at the bottom, you place the pressure plate, and then you come over here and activate this pressure plate. And what this will do is activate this piston, which will allow them to knock it out, and then you can just crit them out unless unless they break the obby. That's never gonna happen. So you can just crit them out right here and they'll just die. And so yeah, it's pretty effective and it works. I'll be showing you how to build it right now. So the materials you'll need for this are in this chest. I'll put a list on the screen right now. You can pause the video and get all these. So you'll need some ladders, 2 oak wood slabs or just 1 wooden block, a stone pressure plate, a wooden pressure plate, a dispenser, 2 sticky pistons, a few blocks, some string, 22 redstone, a lava bucket, and a water bucket. And the dispenser, this is how you make it, and the sticky piston, you should know how to make that. So yeah, let's get into it. First, what you want to do is you want to find where you're going to build. So I'll build mine down here. So you want to go down a certain amount of blocks. This will do, and then you want to go this way. You also need a pickaxe for this. So you find the hole and you go 8 blocks this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you place a water bucket and you fill in the rest of the blocks, and the water will come up to here, and that's the first step. And then here you want to place your dispenser and put a lava bucket in it, or a lot of lava buckets in it, whatever you want. And yeah, so there's your dispenser. Here you want to you also need a crafting table. Yeah, so here you want to place a sticky piston and then a crafting table. Then here you want to place a sticky piston and 2 oak wood slabs. So just carve out the room that you're going to be in when you go in the holes, and like give yourself enough space. If you want, you can add chests to store the loot. So I'll just put 2 chests right here. It's right there. Another crafting table if you need to craft anything. And then you want to break that block. Put a stone pressure plate. Please work. Okay, stone pressure plate. And then you want to go down here, and you want to connect it to this piston. So 2. Boom, boom, boom. And you can block it off, but be sure not to cut the corners like this, because then the redstone line will get cut off. And yeah. So once you stand on this pressure plate, it should activate that. You can check it, and then it should retract. And so that's that part done. And then for this one, you want to go over here you have this area. Place redstone here, redstone here, redstone here, redstone here. And you want to find, be sure not to let the water out, so you can just like block it off, like that for now. And then after you place your redstone, you can unblock it. So just put in redstone here, redstone here. So this is where the pressure plate is going to be. Yeah, so it should be, if the pressure plate is there, it should be one down. One more time. So, okay. And then we want to go to that piston. So go over here, go to this piston, and yep. So just block off this part. You can place a block there. Just fill in the rest, but be sure not to cut off any of the redstone. And yep. So this activates this. And then if you break this and place that there, if you were to activate this pressure plate, the dispenser, you heard it activate, and then the piston would extend the crafting table over their head. So yeah, this is how you make it, and how you can get out after you trap someone and you want to go outside and trap someone more. You just get ladders. So the number of ladders you will need depends on the number of blocks you go down. This is a good height, or you could do it far more if you can like MOG water bucket it, or in walls you can use the feather falling boots and survive the fall. And then you can just cover up this block and just trap someone again, and then go in there, and when you trap them, hit them out, and then you come up here and you repeat it all over again. And so yeah, this was inspired by fruit berries. I saw his video about it, but I just wanted to make it different, you know, and like make it better for the walls. And yeah, and if you want, you can add buttons, but that'll give it away. You can also add string. That doesn't give it away as much, but don't put string there, here, or these two, because it's gonna just get broken. There's no point. But that can like save, or that can stop people from MLG blocking on their way down. And yeah, so hope you enjoyed, and remember to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can get updated when I make my videos. I upload daily, and yeah, I hope this will work for you if you decide to try it out. And it's not that hard. I'll show you this how. These are the items you'll need, and yeah, it's pretty simple. And I hope you have a great day, and good.